Hi, Tiffany.
Hi.
After a few weeks in Each1 Teach1, how do you feel you've grown in the program?
I've gained a lot of skills and experience throughout the program. I learned uh, many things like creating Scratch games and developing websites, so it's been really fun.
And then how will you use these skills in the future?
Um, I would probably use these skills for a future job in the tech industry. So yeah.
What did you learn from the program so far?
Uh, I As I said, I learned how to make websites, do Scratch games, build diagrams using Figma and UML design. Yeah.
What was the biggest challenge you faced in Each1 Teach1?
Um, I guess the biggest challenge is getting everything done on time.
Saying,
Yeah.
so I think, what was your highest point in Each1 Teach1?
Um, Probably making a nonprofit website. Yeah, it took me a long time to get it to work, but yeah, it was worth it.
So since the program's almost over, what will you miss from Each1 Teach1?
Um, Probably all the people I've met. Yeah, everyone's so nice, so I'll probably miss that. How do you feel you've gone throughout each one, teach one?
Well, throughout Each1 Teach1, I think I've learned a lot of skills in how to use new applications, kind of like what I expected in the beginning. And I think with all the projects, the Scratch game, Figma design, the GitHub repository, how to make your own bar graphs, I think those skills would be pretty helpful. And I feel that I've grown a lot in how to actually make a good design, which was one of the first things we learned.
Um, what did you learn from this program?
From this program, I feel that I've learned how to embed codes, and I think I became a little more experienced in how to use a few Microsoft applications, how to use different applications in Google, as well as how to use Visual Studio Code, which seems really difficult in the beginning.
Um, how will you use the skills you've learned from each one, teach one in the future?
Well, I think in the future, um, this can give me an advantage in the tech industry also. Probably in a few companies where they need a website, so that can be a good advantage. Also, I think I would use a few of these skills well, probably in college, I would use a few of these skills if I need to create a major project.
Um, what was your highest point in each one, teach one?
Well, I think one of the highest points in Each1 Teach1 is when I actually get to learn how to use different applications, which is something I've wanted to do. And sometimes I do like collaborating with other people, so just like this interview, it's pretty nice.
What will you miss from this program?
Well, I think, like what you said, I would miss some people who are at Each1 Teach1. I like collaborating with other people, and I think I'm going to miss that. Also, I do like creativity, and I'm going to miss all the creative projects that I get to do in each one teach one.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. It was nice working with you.
You too.